size, Gib?
17.
What size?
17.
What size did you have?
19. Right guys, as you've seen in the video, we've installed the mounts. We've got them from H-Tune. I went for steel rather than the billet aluminium because I'm cheap. I have no other excuse. They are for a H swap into an EK. They're rated, I think, from about 250 to 400, something like that. You could put them in anything, but just for what I wanted really, a bit of a harder mount. So we've completed the smoothing of the welding for the smoothing out of the rub strips, so that's all sorted. And then I've got a few other problems that I need to sort out. We have a bit of a issue with some rust underneath the arches. Shouldn't be too much of a problem to sort out. I plan to get on that very shortly. You'll probably see it in another video if you haven't seen enough welding already. Feel free to have a look. I went over to see Mr. Rob Horner. If you need any parts, he's the man to see. I just need to go and get some plates cut out for the roof cutters because there is a little bit of rot there as well. I don't know why, never seen it happen before, but it's there. So next steps, the plan is we're going to fix the rust, but that comes in the future. In the very near future, as in the next 5 minutes, you're probably going to see me attempt some fiberglass. Never done it before, really want to give it a go, so there's only one way to find out.
Rip. Oops. How'd it go?
Pretty well, I think. Pretty well for my first go anyway.
Looked alright, like.
Yeah, I don't think it's too bad. I mean, covered in resin, as expected.
Yeah.
I'm like a child. But yeah, so the only problem we've had is trying to get it to go around the corner of the door shut. Hasn't gone as well as expected. It started lifting off, so we decided we'll leave it, then we'll cut it off flush, and then try again with some extra pieces or go down some other road. See how it goes. Lemmy.
Hello.
Have you been to the Nürburgring?
Nope.
You've never mentioned it at all?
Never been.
Never been?
Never been.
Never been. So we're trying to get the carpet out, and there's a cable goes underneath the carpet which we need to get out, so without cutting it and without cutting the carpet we can get out as a whole, so that I can start putting my shifter box in. What are you doing?
Oh, assume the position.
Yeah. What's happening is, I've made a box. It is 4.5 inches square by 2 inches deep, and I need to put it into the floor and get rid of this in order for the new shifter to fit in there, and then that will be my cable shifter conversion almost complete. I need to cut a hole to put this grommet in, so it'll go through and get outside of the engine, and then we should be laughing tea cakes.
T, get me the fucking foamy fucking thing. I'm starting to.
Get it yourself.
Please. Please, please.
No.
Please, please.
No.
Please. Please.
No.
I'm begging. Right guys, if you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. You'll have seen some fiberglass in, some welding, we've got the shifter box sorted, steering wheel removed, carpet removed. It's all good progress and it's all gone really well considering. The mounts, they got fitted, they look really good, so I'm pretty happy with them. Just like to thank H-Tune again for sorting them out for me, and they've been very helpful. A couple of shout outs also, so if you want a shout out you've got to comment, otherwise it ain't happening. So if you want a shout out, comment and everyone's happy. So quick shout out to Prelude_Paul on Instagram and Liam_Hewitt. They've been a big help. You'll probably see them in the video. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you again on the next video.
That was alright, I like. Say one more time, motherfucker. I'm motherfucking sick of these motherfucking arms in this motherfucking car.
I am sick of these motherfucking arms in this motherfucking car. Motherfucker.
Got me there.